In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert watermarks on specific pages in Microsoft Word. This tutorial is perfect if you're working on reports, drafts, or professional documents where only certain pages need a watermark instead of the entire file. Applying watermarks selectively helps keep your document clean while still clearly labeling important sections. Today, we'll focus on inserting a built-in watermark on a specific page, and then we'll move on to adding a custom watermark to just one page. These steps apply to Microsoft Word on Windows and are part of a broader workflow that gives you more control over how your document looks. To begin inserting a built-in watermark on a specific page, open your document and place your cursor directly on the page where you want the watermark to appear. This step is very important because Word uses the cursor position to decide where the watermark will be inserted. Once your cursor is in the correct location, go to the Design tab on the ribbon. From there, click on Watermark in the Page Background group. A gallery of built-in watermark designs will appear. Instead of clicking normally, right-click on the watermark you want and choose the option that inserts it at the current document position. As soon as you do this, the watermark will appear only on that page. When you view the document, you'll notice that the watermark stays on the selected page and does not carry over to the others. Next, let's move on to creating a custom watermark that appears on just one page. Start by going back to the Design tab and selecting Watermark again. This time, choose Custom Watermark. When the printed watermark window opens, you can customize your watermark text or image. After adjusting the text, font, color, or layout, confirm your choice. At this stage, the custom watermark may appear across the document, but that's expected. To control it, double-click near the top of the page to open the header area. Click directly on the watermark to select it, making sure the selection handles are visible. Then, return to the Design tab, open the Watermark menu, and save the selected watermark to the Watermark gallery by giving it a name. After saving it, remove the watermark from the document entirely using the Remove Watermark option. Now, double-click inside the page where you want the custom watermark to appear. Once the header closes, go back to the Watermark menu, locate your saved custom watermark, right-click it, and insert it at the current document position. The watermark will now appear only on that specific page. After saving your document, Word may ask if you want to save changes to the building blocks file. Saving allows you to reuse your custom watermark in future documents. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.